Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. Ham's Loft. Got my birds out for the fourth. This is the fourth time on summer rain. I guess wherever they're at. Got a few flying around. Clouds. It's actually lightly raining. I just want to try to get the birds out. I just want to get them out. I don't care if I have to let them out for only an hour. I got to get them out. I just got home from work. Today is Sunday. I think it's the third or the fourth, something like that. I don't even know myself. But it's Sunday. All right, I still ain't chasing nobody up. Everybody's trying to get them out and doing good on getting them out. So we're gonna see how's everything going. I got 4 old birds over there. And everybody kind of know their way in. That's my Splash. Probably my favorite bird. No, that's a grizzle. That's a grizzle. Where's my Splash? My favorite bird might be gone. Oh well. We'll just see how things work out. And it looks like it just started. Rain starting to come down. I'm gonna keep the birds out. I'm just gonna go in over here and stay in my chair. Keep me from getting hit by the mosquitoes too. It's starting to rain harder. All the birds are freaking out. And you can see I got pretty much all the birds out. Still raining a little bit. I think it's probably about 3 still in the inside. I'm trying to find my favorite bird. I seen him a few minutes ago, but everybody knows how that works. When you get a favorite one, it's probably the first one to get either hit by the hawk or first one to disappear. But I got 2 Trentons. See if I can find them. That's one right there. See how solid red he is with the 2 with white flights, and then his nestmate is right over there. Oh, water coming down. Guess I'm going back inside. Going over to the coop. You ain't gotta worry about me. I'm not going out there.
Oh, it started raining?
Yep. The rain scared them all. They all flew onto the coop. And right there. I'm trying to get them in. I need to let down a couple of the traps because I want them to trap every time, but I'm not going to let them trap with all the bars down, just 1 or 2. Let me get you a close up. I just want them to feel the trap when they go through, just so that they can get used to the bars touching them. Eventually, of course, they all be let down. I have trapped them all with the bars let down before, but I like to let them build that confidence in going through, just feeling on the bars as they go over their back or on the side of their wing. I think they already know it's time to eat, so let's feed them. And I don't know how many I got flying around, but who cares? I'll just let the trap down. All right, y'all, they've been following me while I go get the bucket of feed, so let's go on and feed them. I think we got one on top. I'm not staying out here. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do.